Hey everyone, how's it going? We have a 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited that's going to be getting a full front PPF, which is bumper, fenders, hood, and mirrors, and then it's going to get a 5-year ceramic coating on the rest of the painted surfaces, and I'm going to show you how we prep it coming right up. Okay, so one of the first things we always do is we remove badges if they're in the way. And you know, we don't like to print around them because the fact these are placed by hand in a lot of cases and usually placed incorrectly. Case in point, this Jeep logo is actually crooked where the P was, you know, it was going downhill. And even though it's 4.5 inches wide, where the center is between the two E's, it's a good 1/4 inch to the right of the center line, which would be, you know, this front camera here. So when we put it back on, if we put it back on, a lot of our clients like the look of a clean car with no badges, but if we put it back on, we will put it back on correctly. First thing we always do is we spray American Detailer Garage F-Bomb, and we pre-soak things with that, so that's just a standard practice for us. It also tends to remove some of the dealership ceramic coatings that they claim are ceramic coatings. So if they put like a polymer sealant or something, a lot of times we can remove it even just with F-Bomb if it's even on there in the first place. So we're gonna do that, and we'll get the rest of the adhesive residue off the Jeep logo, where the Jeep logo was, and then I'll foam cannon it and get the little crevices, because this car does have about 5,000 miles on it, so I'll use my little detail brush in these crevices here, as well as clay bar, to try to minimize any contamination under the film.